Yes, look. This is how the Moroccan cats chill on other cars. They like Mercedes. They like Audi, like my car. You are the bodyguard. Hey, you are the bodyguard, huh? They rent you, right? They rent you so they can sleep. Those are famous artists. Yeah, boys. I'm gonna make you famous. All three of you. Hey, sometimes you can get very jealous the way they sleep. Look this one, pretty one. This is her child. Very special animals. Very special animals. How much they pay you, my friend, for security, bodyguard? You sleep with one eye open, one eye closed, right? Well, enjoy the day sleep, and yeah, I'm very jealous. Hey, little one, hey, if I do like this, hey, little one, hey. You know, cats, they feel it, you know. If you are a cat lover, they know it. You see how nice he is? Unbelievable. You too? No, okay. Sleep, no, go. I'm gonna take a step back. You are not afraid. Okay. You are not afraid. Eh? You are small but not afraid. Very nice. Yeah. Well, that's it.